Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Android up-to-date and an active network. If you want a simple app experience, install Cloudflare's 1.1.1 from Google Play. If you prefer system level, use private DNS. Once done, open Settings and find Network and Internet. Make sure you understand you'll either grant a local VPN permission to the app or change private DNS to a hostname. Both route DNS queries to Cloudflare for faster, more private resolution. Now choose the configuration path and follow the details. If you use the app, open it and accept the VPN prompt. This securely directs DNS through Cloudflare. Turn the toggle on and optionally enable Warp if you want encrypted traffic. For system private DNS, go to Network and Internet Advanced Private DNS and enter 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare DNS. Then save. Once configured, load a website to confirm lookups are faster and private DNS queries are finished by verifying the change. Visit a DNS test page or load several websites to confirm reduced lookup times. If pages fail to resolve, switch private DNS back to automatic or temporarily uninstall the 1.1.1 app to isolate the problem. Network managers or other VPN apps often conflict. Make sure airplane mode is off, clear browser cache, and reboot the phone. If that fails, re-enter the host name carefully and retry. Typically, connectivity issues come from conflicts or typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.